Hey guys.
Today, we're gonna play hide and seek. Finally. We've been meaning to make this video for a while, and we're actually making it right now today.
Yeah.
Because we're actually making it. So yeah, we're gonna start right away. Count.
Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the rules, and we don't really have rules, but I'm gonna explain what's going on and how it's gonna be set up and what it's gonna be like. So we can either hide inside or outside, so we have a decision there. So I wanted to give us the option of inside and outside. And I'm gonna be seeking first, and Gavin will be hiding. How many rounds should there be?
There will be 1, 2, 3 rounds. So we'll both hide 3 times.
Okay.
And we'll both count 3 times. Stand in the corner and just look in the corner and close your eyes.
Okay, but what should we count to? A minute?
30.
30 seconds? That's
30
not enough.
Yeah, a minute.
Okay.
Good. Then go.
1, 2.
Okay. I'm behind my fridge. And my fridge is in the living room. Because of reasons. Ow, I hit my head on the shelf. I can't turn the flash on because my phone's at a low battery, so listen to the fridge. It's fun behind fridges. He's finally done counting.
Found you. You wanna know what gave it away? I heard your feet move.
How did you hear my feet?
It was like...
Oh, really? Alright, my turn. I was just starting to hide.
Yep.
Alright.
I don't know where I'm gonna hide, but... Alright, I don't know where I'm gonna hide. Be really bad. Ready or not, here I come. I'm so scared right now. Guys, I have to be so bad right now. So, I don't know what to do. And I want to keep hiding, but I have to go so bad. Okay, guys, so he went outside. And I think he just came back inside right now. Give up! He just said he gave up.
forgot about the basement.
How did you not?
I forgot about the basement.
I really have to pee. Like, I have to pee so bad.
Okay. I'll lock you in here.
Hang on, go.
Oh, wait, no, wait. I'm not gonna lock you because then how would you get
Alright,
out?
get ready.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Alright. I know exactly. Sorry, I was covering the speed. I know exactly where to hide. It's a good spot. A really good spot. I'm behind my uncle's shed. So, like, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be boring. I'm just gonna, yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, my birthday is tomorrow. July 10th is my birthday. Just so you guys know, so like, yeah. You can wish me in the comments, happy birthday, Gavin! Yeah. Also, I just realized I'm saying yeah a lot for some reason. I don't know why. I'm saying it so much. I don't even realize I'm saying it. I'm just saying it a lot. Oh yeah, this is where I destroyed my old phone. On that rock right there. That's where I hit my phone. I'm gonna go up the ladder. Because why not? Dang it. I kept sounding like I hearing like things like moving over here. Like so many times I thought like it was you coming, but then I looked and there was just nothing there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because I
kept thinking that you were coming over here, but you weren't. There was just nothing. Yeah, Alex is hiding now.
I'm hiding. Hiding.
I'll count to 60.
Okay.
1.
I feel like he's gonna hear the door. So, I think he knows that I'm going out here. But that's okay. And I forgot my flip-flops. That is great. And I don't want to step on a bee either. So, that's even more great. That's greater than great. Oh yeah. I have an idea that I could, like, maybe hide, like, in here. I think. That was my idea. I'm gonna try to do it. I'm not recording, guys, but let me tell you, this crap hurts like hell. It's burning. It burns. Okay. I'm gonna pause it for a while because I can barely see. I'm in his dad's truck right now. And yeah.
Okay, I found Alex.
You did not find me.
No, I didn't find him. But I went by him like 2 times and didn't find him, and I gave up. So yeah, it's my turn to hide again. Okay, I need to hide somewhere good.
I know that you are in here somewhere. Found you.
How do you always find me so
Because
quickly?
I can hear you walking around. alright?
Okay, wait.
I can hear you so easily. And the first places I check when I'm hiding, when you're hiding. Okay, it's my turn to hide now. Hopefully I don't in the video again. I don't know where to hide though.
I don't know.
That's alright. Okay guys, so I literally was getting my flip-flops on to go outside because I didn't want to step on a bee. And right away, I heard his door slam. Like, so that means he counted to a minute already, but it has not been a minute. I'm gonna look somewhere if I could hide somewhere else. But there's really nowhere to hide. I'm just hiding behind a tree. Might hide in there somewhere. Hang on. I gotta get over there. That's where I need to go. Or in there. Not in there. In there. I'm wasting time, so I should probably get going, but I don't know. He saw me. He saw me. I bet you he saw me. Over here. Was that you that shut the door? Like, I felt like 20 seconds went by and then I heard like a door slam. Like near like your room.
Ice cream.
How fast did you count?
Ice cream.
How fast did you count?
I was like 1, 2, 3. But there's ice cream.
There's no way that you counted that slow. Alright, we're gonna go, guys. We'll see you in the next video. I don't know what that's gonna be about
By
at
the
all.
way, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what we're gonna do for that, but like we have to do something. Cause like 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
It's a lot of people.
Yeah.
So yeah. Thanks and bye.
Bye. Whoa.